Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. It is significant to note that during the recent upswing, $6.8 million, or 68.61%, of the short bets were liquidated. This demonstrates that investors were seeking a higher Pepe price. Decline pepecoin shocked the other leading cryptocurrencies by increasing by more than 3,500% in the previous 30 days. However, in the previous day, its price increased by more than 50%. If you want to improve your financial future, be sure to hit the like button if this video was useful and subscribe to the channel. Of course, this was not the case, and Pepe is probably in for a similar outcome. The sad truth is that before Pepe came up, coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were already in decline. For many investors, the resurgence of the ugly coin with no use was amazing. However, the most important thing we have learned is that you must know when to abandon these endeavors. We believe that the Pepe fever may be over, but it doesn't imply that the next meme coin won't surge in the same way. We believe there are currently 2 contenders for the meme coin crown who are available on the market. What's going on, everyone? Greetings from the channel again. Today, we have some bullish Pepe news for you because many people think a breakout has been verified. Many people believe an all-time high is imminent because they are comparing the Pepe chart, which represents the most well-known meme point in 2023, to the Shiba Inu chart of 2021. Happy June 9th, folks, first and foremost. Pepe is constantly on top of memes. Hello and happy June 9th. Guys, this is big news that not many people are talking about. Pepe just surpassed 300,000 followers on Twitter after being active for less than 2 months. All natural, all genuine followers. Guys, salute the Pepe army and congratulations on 300k. But as I just mentioned, Pepe is up 7% today. It was only up 7% for the day and was trading at $488.96, or roughly $489 million. As I have mentioned, many individuals think a Pepe breakout is just around the corner. And the reason is that this figure shows that since being introduced on April 19th, when the markup rocketed up to $1.6 billion, it has been consolidating. However, if you've been in the meme point market, you'll notice that many meme points are down 90% to 95%. Guys, not Pepe. Pepe is maintaining a solid position at a market cap of $400 million to $600 million, which is extremely positive. Now guys, I'm going to pull out the Shiba Inu chart in a second, but you need to look at this since May 13th because Pepe has been consolidating in this area for almost a month at this point. What makes consolidations positive then? Although some people are selling, others are getting a chance to join in. Guys, when you consider this protracted period of consolidation, the longer a token consolidates, the more opportunities there are for investors to buy it, and the greater the likelihood that it will soar and see parabolic growth when the markets do correct. Keep a mental image of this scene in mind right now. Right. We had a good pump, we fell, and now we're consolidating in this range. The market has experienced a wave of bearish momentum as a result of this uncertainty, which the meme coin has been unable to avoid. As a result, the cost of Pepe has decreased even more. Additionally, investors would need to prepare for more volatility given that there is no sign of the slump ending. The popularity of the Wall Street memes presale soars, and $4.4 million is raised. Despite this bleak outlook for the meme coin industry, several recent initiatives are succeeding better than expected, with Wall Street memes being one of the most well-known. Over the past week, $WSM has shown remarkable tenacity, surpassing the $4.4 million mark in its continuing pre-sale period. WSM is currently available for just $0.27 for a substantial discount from the final stage pricing. The Wall Street Memes initiative has generated a ton of interest as a result of this intriguing premise. With the size of the official Telegram channel double in the past week, the Wall Street Memes team has been actively marketing the project as well. They chose to put up a lucrative airdrop setup in which 5 privileged members of the community will each earn $10,000 worth of WSM. The team has also added a number of intriguing initiatives to the project's future, including as Tier 1 CX listings, partnerships with well-known crypto influencers, and even a private gated community. Influencers have already started participating. Popular cryptocurrency YouTuber Jacob Berry, who has roughly 18,000 subscribers, disclosed that he invested $3,000 in the Wall Street memes pre-sale. In the wake of harsh criticism and abuse from the XRP community, holders of XRP have returned to backing the founder of Cardano. Charles Hoskinson had previously severed connections with the owners of XRP. A recent development was the founder of Cardano's pledge to finally reconcile with the community. The owners of XRP responded favorably and proposed that he host the Twitter Spaces to formally announce the reconciliation. Although some community members expressed support for Hoskinson, they noted that Coinbase significantly hurt the cryptocurrency by refusing to relist the token on the exchange. By choosing not to relist XRP, Coinbase bears all responsibility for value loss and ongoing gatekeeping. Regulators in the US did not, however, ignore the SEC, which brought a complaint alleging violations of securities laws. On the Heinlein Doc countdown, XRP would deliver 55 cents if it dropped to 52 cents again. XRP experienced a crimson dawn. The Hyman Doc's impending release, however, ought to sustain prices. XRP returned to the downside of the market on Saturday, losing 5.76% to close the day at 0.50. Investor confidence in the SEC v. Ripple case decreased as news about Binance reduced buyer interest. The technical indicators display conflicting information, bringing 45 cents into focus. Following a Friday rise of 2.67%, XRP experienced a Saturday decline of 5.76%. At 0.50 at the day's end, XRP. Significantly, XRP made its first return to below $0.0048 since May 29th. XRP had a mixed start to the day, rising to a high of $0.5385 in the morning but fallen short of the first significant resistance mark at $0.5460. XRP dropped to a low of $0.047, $5.02 at midday, before moving through as 30 points, 49 points, and $2.03 to conclude the day at $0.50, 7-11. XRP broke past the major support levels. The silence of SEC v. Ripple places XRP in the hands of the bears. There were no SEC v. Rippling court decisions or filings, thus it was a calm Saturday session. Investors in XRP were left to consider the week's events in the absence of case-related news. And what is coming up? Stuart Alderete, the chief legal officer of Ripple, spoke with the SEC about the SEC and registration, stating that when registration statements are false, the SEC issues stop orders preventing them. If the SEC had thought that the assertion that I am not registering as a broker-dealer, a securities exchange, or an ATS because I am not trading securities was false, then I should have had my application denied. Even though the SEC v. Ripple case continues to dominate, the news that the SEC of Nigeria has ordered Binance Nigeria to stop seeking investors from Nigeria was unfavorable. The main factors for the rest of the day, meanwhile, continue to be Binance's suspension of withdrawals and pause on US dollar deposits. Investors must track cryptocurrency because there are no US economic indices to take into account. SEC Coinbase, SEC v. Ripple, and SEC v. Binance have new wires. Associated News. I appreciate you coming. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Until the next video, take care.